The All Progressive Congress APC in Gombe State has produced Dr. Demilu Isiaku Gomna as its governorship candidate through a consensus arrangement ahead of the upcoming election. Dr. Gomna emerged following consultation among party stakeholders aimed at fostering unity and strengthening the party's chances at the poll. Addressing the journalists during a press briefing in Gombe, the APC governorship candidate described his emergence as collective decision taken in the interest of the party and the state.
We came as a family in terms of consensus. Uh, Consensus is the way to go because we see ourselves as one family, APC family.
Dr. Gomna expressed gratitude to party leaders, supporters, and fellow aspirants for their confidence and sacrifice, noting that consensus remained a strong democratic tool for internal party cohesion. He assured party members and the people of Gombe State of inclusive leadership, promising to build on existing achievements while prioritizing development across critical sectors.
We're not going to reinvent the wheel. Everything that has been, that needs to be done to put Gombe on on a good foundation has already been done and is being done by Governor Mohammed Inouye, and we're grateful for that. So my own is to continue to ensure that we continue with the legacy that he has done, and build on that legacy for the benefit of Gombe State, based on those promises on the renewed hope agenda as well as the 10-year plan.
The APC candidate also called on aggrieved members of the party to unite and work together to ensure victory in the general elections.
For the APC, and I'm very, very hopeful that we're going to do that. But we need unity. So it is a duty for all of us that believe in the continuous progress of Gombe State that the APC government has done, to come together and ensure that we close ranks. Power belongs to Allah, and He gives it to whoever He wants, whenever He wants, and at the time He wants.
Meanwhile, the consensus process held a day earlier also produced candidates for other key positions across the state. For the Senate, DCP Muhammad Ahmadu Deba emerged for Gombe Central District, Honorable Jerry Amara for Gombe South, while Muhammad Inwayahya was selected for Gombe North. In the House of Representatives category, Honorable Usman Bello Kumu emerged for Akkor Federal Constituency, Honorable Inwa Garba for Yamal Tudeva, Honorable Ali Isa Jesi for Balanga Billiri, and Honorable Fatima Bello Binta for Kaltingo Shongon Federal Constituency. Party officials and stakeholders who spoke after the consensus process reaffirmed their commitment to supporting the candidate, describing the exercise as peaceful and widely accepted among party members. The meeting was highly successful. Through a consensus process, all aspirants willingly stepped down and aligned with the candidate preferred by the people. A single candidate was unanimously endorsed, with all stakeholders pledging their full support. We express our appreciation and pray for success in the forthcoming general elections. Dr. Gomno's emergence marks a significant step in the APC's preparation as political activities continue to gather momentum in Gombe State. From Gombe, Kamal Hamaju, reporting for Nexus Channels.